We broke the taco on the last episode. You've seen it at Great Lakes Dragway. We believe it's the clutch, and since I built this myself, we're gonna have to pull the whole engine out to get to the clutch. So everything I need to get the engine out is going to be the drive shaft, some of the exhaust. This header right here has to come out. Take the distributor out so I don't break that. I have to take off this hose that goes to the water pump to disconnect this hose to the engine, to disconnect the hose at the bottom of the radiator, take the radiator out, take the radiator support out, take out the power steering pump cooler. What else do we gotta take out? It's ground wires, power wires and stuff over here. Okay, so we'll be taking all of this out and I'll put it over there and show you guys what's wrong with the clutch. Okay, so the motor's out. So now let's take a look at the clutch. And here is the flywheel. Okay, guys, we got the we got the new flywheel. There it is. Let's put your light. Okay, guys, there's the flywheel. You can see. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the motor. Okay, guys, the flywheel's on. Bolts are all torqued to 60 foot-pounds. Now let's check out the new clutch. Spec clutch. Comes with a sticker, so you know that's good. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Comes with a new throwout bearing. Wow, that's a nice bushing too. This is a stage 3 6 plate. Okay, so the first step, guys, is going to be to put in this new pilot bearing. This one is solid and it looks like copper. The one that's in there, you can see has rod bearings in it. So comment and let me know if a rod bearing pilot is better than the solid one. I'm guessing not. So next step is to take this one out. Okay, guys, to get that bearing out, we're going to take some stale bun here. And shove it in there. Okay, now that I've got it stuffed full of bread, I'm going to take this shaft and pound it in there, and it will push the bread behind the bearing and push the bearing out. Okay, then keep putting in more bread. Okay, you guys can see now that the bearing is coming out. So keep going. And it's as easy as that. Okay, next we gotta clean the bread out. Okay guys, we're getting ready to put the new bushing in. So we're gonna take this 3/4 socket and put it on there like that and tap it into the motor. Okay, as you can see now, the bearing is in there. So next we're going to clean this, degreaser it, and put on the clutch. On this 6-puck disc, it has FW side, and that means flywheel side. The clutch is back on the motor now, and we can start putting it back together. Here's our list. We gotta marry the engine to the tranny, mount the engine, hook up the header, hook up the distributor, hook up all the coolant stuff, hook up the power steering stuff, hook up the throttle and the fuel, hook up miscellaneous wires, check the fluid level in the transmission because we dumped some out when we had the drive shaft off, and hook up the battery. So I'll get back to you guys after I got a lot of this stuff checked off. Okay guys, the engine is all back in and the clutch is working and it's running and it's working pretty good. One more thing before I end this video, what I want to do is install these boom tubes that I made. So it's just a straight pipe that I cut and split open, and then there's a couple of baffles in here to direct the sound. So I'm give you a sound bite right now, and then I'll do one after I have this on. You can see there's mufflers there, and there. Okay guys, I got the new Boom tube's done. There and there. Let's fire it up and see what happens. Like the video, throw it a like. If you dislike it, give it a dislike.